Ideal for use in bedrooms, bathrooms and closets. Classic design and finish. Mounting hardware and installation instructions included. Zinc die-cast base material. Organize and decorate in one easy step. Great for use in closets, bedrooms and bathrooms, the Liberty double-prong robe hook can hold up to 35 pounds when mounted to solid wood or a stud. Mounting hardware included for easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great for hanging motorcycle helmets and seat belts for easy retrieval. Saw online where a Polaris Slingshot owner installed one of these to hang his helmet and seat belt for easy retrieval when getting in and out of his slingshot. Very handy. Places helmet where you can easily find it and keeps the seat belt buckle handy for use. No more digging around trying to figure out where the seat belt buckle is hiding.